small farmers in India are defined as the farmers who hold less than 2 hectares of land. According to a report, in India, these farmers account for 86% of all farmers, but own just 47% of arable land. Owing to their small holdings, they often cannot even produce surpluses to financially sustain their family. Such a large number of small farmers, close to 130 million, according to a report, pose enormous challenges for the government's extension arms to reach them with the relevant technologies and farm support schemes. There are several agencies, government and non-government, who are working on a slew of initiatives to tackle these hurdles. I would say that broadly there are 2 things that must be done. First, come together. Second, adopt farm mechanization. You see, everyone has heard this old saying, united we stand, divided we fall. Farmers have to come together and take community initiatives. The Indian government has taken up initiatives for the creation of farmer producer organizations, now popularly known as FPOs, to help organize the sector. Collectivization of small farmers into FPOs improves access to technology, inputs, and markets. Secondly, farmers need to embrace farm mechanization in all forms. Farmers need to focus on improving their productivity. Mechanization of small farmers has been a major challenge, especially for developing countries like India. Farm mechanization is essential to sustain the interest of small farmers. Farmers need mechanized solutions. Now, what would these mechanized solutions do? They would help the farmer to manage time, they would help the farmer to reduce input costs, they would help the farmer to address labor shortages, and thereby improving their productivity. And affordable solutions are available for our farming community, help increase their productivity and profitability. While bigger farming units adapt to newer technologies and bigger machines, the need of the hour is to address the small and marginal farmers. For them, handheld power tools are the most viable options. Why I say so? Because they offer single-person usability, affordability, small farmland accessibility, and reduction in dependence on hired labor, as you can see, has become a major issue in the times going on right now. Right from soil cultivation to harvesting, still India has equipment catering to all the needs of the farmers. For soil preparation and cultivation, we have 6 HP and 7 HP power weeders. They come with a multitude of attachments with variety of purpose. For drilling, we have earth augers with market standard bits for digging holes of various diameters. For irrigation, we have water pump. For spraying, we have sprayers and mist blowers, which use superior technology for accurate spraying, thereby saving a lot of money for the farmers. For weeding and grass cutting, we have brush cutters. Being high performance and low maintenance, this is one of the fastest growing segments for still India. Similarly, we have power tools, which have been helping farmers and planters in fruit farming, tea farming, and coffee farming. Ever since we have started our operations in India, farm mechanization has been our driving agenda for enhancing and improving mechanization in the country by making latest and robust technology available to small and marginal farmers, of course at affordable price brackets. We have a network of servicing dealers spread across the country. These dealers are well trained by us in handling equipment so that the best possible support is passed on to the customers. We regularly hold events, road shows, and farmer interactions at grassroots level to propagate farm mechanization, wherein actual equipment demonstrations are held. We are working towards making small and marginal farmers self-reliant, one step at a time. Parivartan or transformation is the key, and we are happy to help them become part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. As our tagline also says, Krishi Upkaran, Live Parivartan.